Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a look at the Love from Lizi January 2024 kit, and it's called Sending Sunshine. So before we start and have a look at the kit, I just want to do a little bit of housekeeping. I'd like to say hello after being away over the Christmas and New Year's. This is my first video back. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. Today, we're going to look at the Sending Sunshine kit from Love from Lizi. I'm going to leave links down below to the kit, to the subscription. If you'd like to subscribe, you might just be in time, but if you are subscribing to a kit, please ensure that you look and make sure that you subscribe starting from the kit that you want to start with. Okay, I'm going to leave links to the other design team members who will be doing unboxings for this kit, as well as doing design cards for these kits. So have a look in the description. All the links, etc., that you might need are down below. So I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to go straight in and have a look. So Lizi always puts some cardstock into our kit, and we have some craft card, some white, and it's smooth white cardstock, so you can stamp and you can color on it, etc. We have a lovely it's like an egg yolk yellow, we have a lovely orange, and we have a dark green. I'd almost call this like a forest green color. So they're the 5 pieces of cardstock that we have got in this January kit, and I'm just going to pop them all down there to fill in the background. So these can be used as mats and layers on your cards, or you can use them as card bases. Next, I'm going to have a look at the peel-offs we get, and these are a lovely peel-off. They're 3 different widths, so you have a slim, a medium, and a wide width. They have gold edging along them, and they really are a beautiful peel-off for decorating. Lizi does a wonderful collection of peel-offs and on the website, so do have a look at the different ones, but we get some peel-offs in the kit. We also get this piece of foam. It's in a light yellow color, and you can use this for lifting your sentiments or for you know, embellishing your cards, etc. We also get 2 sheets of stickers, and this is a kind of a peek into what the kit is kind of focused on. These are hay bales and different types of hay bales. So we have the round ones, these ones make me think of a lady's dress, and they're really lovely. They pop off, they have a white outline around them, but they're lovely. You could put these onto some white cardstock and fussy cut around them if you wanted to make like a piece of ephemera with it, but they're lovely stickers. And then this one, these are your lovely kind of ones that you see kind of in the movies, the old-fashioned bales. I'm sure there's names for these different styles, but I don't know what they are. So they're the 2 sheets of stickers that we get. And we also get some stamps and some dies and some let me just go through. Here we go. So we get some stamps, we get some dies, and we get stencils. And this is something Lizi has been working on, and I think she's done a great job. So I'm going to have a look at the stamps first. In this, we get a large sunflower, and then we get this smaller one. It's like a side-on view of the sunflower. We have sunshine being the main word in this, and then we get "and smiles your way, you are like, you are my sending, wishes for your birthday, and you fill my day with." So you can use these, you know, in all different ways together. Then, like I said, we have the dies. The dies, these 2 dies will die cut out your 2 images. We also get a die that will die cut out the word sunshine. Then you have this one, which will die cut out around your word. And then this larger one here is a shadow piece. So you could die cut out this in, we'll say, a brown and then a yellow and then a darker yellow, and you'd get all the colors that you'd have in your sunflower. So they're the dies, and then we have stencils, and I have to say the stencils are really good, and I do apologize for the shine going on here. It's very dull here in Ireland this January morning, and hence the reason I have all the lights on, so I hope it's not in your face too much. With this then we get a number of stencils. You can stamp out this image and then you can use the stencils to go over it and layer in different colors. I know that Lizi has explained this in her unboxing, and I will go through how to use it when I make my cards using this kit. So that's the stamps, the dies and the stencils. We also get some pipe cleaners, and I think these are so novel. I have no clue what I'm going to do with them, but Lizi likes to throw some really cool things in. I think if I was doing like a scrapbook page, I might use these maybe to frame the page, or I might kind of see the round shape in the bales here. You could kind of pick up on that and make round shapes with your pipe cleaners. So I don't know if I'm going to do anything with them, you know, on the cards with this kit. We'll just have to wait and see. But there are a good few other design team members, and I'm sure if I don't do something with them, maybe one of them will. So that's the pipe cleaners. I'm going to have a look next at the pattern paper. So the pattern paper for this kit is absolutely gorgeous, and it all focuses around these lovely, lovely little donkeys. Aren't they lovely? My mother-in-law has 2 little donkeys and they're absolutely gorgeous. So this would have been Lizi's favorite page, and hence the reason she has her logo over it. But don't forget, you can always cut out a piece of cardstock and frame around this and use this page. I did that before on one of my 10 cards, 1 kit. And, you know, so don't forget you can use these. So now we get 12 single-sided 220 GSM 6x6 pieces of pattern paper, and they're all absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go quickly through them. They all basically look at the sunflowers in different sizes, as well as the little donkeys and the hay bales, and they come in some really fab colors. We're definitely getting away from the Christmas look and the Christmas theme, but I have to say the little donkeys, when I see, I just think little donkey, you know, the Christmas song. I'm not going to sing, guys, I wouldn't do that to you. But we have then some lovely little background pages too, and then these ones, and there's lovely colors. I mean, you could make masculine cards with some of these as well as feminine, I think. Okay, so then I'm going to look at, we get ephemera, and you know, if you follow me at all, I love ephemera. So I'm going to take some of this out and we'll have a look at it together. So there's lots of little pieces of ephemera that come in the kit, and they're everything from the sunflowers to little sprigs to hay bales to our gorgeous little donkey. Isn't he, she? Absolutely lovely. We get lots of pieces of ephemera, so you don't have to worry about colouring in. If you're not happy with colouring, you can definitely just ignore that. And it's a nice quality ephemera as well. It's not shiny like magazines. This is a lovely matte finish on this ephemera, which I think is lovely. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And it looks like it has kind of a gold sparkle in it, but it's not. It's just the way it's been drawn in. So we get all the different little donkeys, the hay bales, lots of different floral pieces as well. So you don't have to go down the donkey theme if you don't want to, But I mean, is that donkey not just so cute? And I think we get 2 pieces of everything in this kit, so it's very generous. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, there's lots in this. I don't think Lizi mentioned how many pieces are in it, but I dare say there's quite a few. And those donkeys are just the cutest. So that's the ephemera. We also have a goodie bag with a few bits in that. So let's have a look and see what comes inside. So the first thing I'm looking at here is a gel pen. We have a lovely gel pen. It's Do Crafts Artiste gel pen. It doesn't say what number, you know, as in what size, but I'm sure it's, oh, it's lovely. It's a lovely gold color. It's really nice, very nice. So we get our gel pen. We also get a bag of glitter in here as well. We get a couple of photo frames. I don't believe these are sticky back. Let me have a look and just see. No, they're not. This is coming up, but it doesn't have a sticky on it. So just so you know, they are not adhesive backed. So we get 2 of those. We also get a meter of some of this. And I know we've gone past Christmas now, but I think Lizi thought it was kind of a bit like hay looking. And we also get some baker's twine in different colors in there as well. And we get some photo corners. These are really cool, and there's 8 photo corners that we get in the pack. We get some gems. We get a large and a small gem. There's 3 rows of the small and 2 rows of the larger ones, and they're lovely. They have that muted gold color on them, so they'll be fab for adding a little bit of bling onto our card makes or whatever it is you like to do with yours. So this is all the kit. I'm gonna actually spread this out a little bit more so you'll get to see more of it. And finally, I have this. This is one of the add-on products that you can get from the Love From Lizi website. I leave a link down below to Lizi's YouTube video showing all the products that are available as well as add-ons for this kit. But I just loved this little stamp set. Isn't it gorgeous? It comes with our little donkey, and it has 2 hearts, a little bow, so you can make it a little girl donkey if you want. It has sorry for being an ass, whatever you need, I'm all ears, and hey there. Isn't that so cute? So this is an add-on that I got with my kit, but that is the kit that we got for January 2024, and it's the Sending Sunshine kit. So I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing. Don't forget to have a look at the links down below in the description. There are links to Lizi's website, the other design team members, and everything you might need is down there. So keep an eye on this space, make sure you're subscribed, and that way you won't miss out when I bring you a video using some of this kit. So until then, folks, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.